Palantir Technologies has firmly established itself as one of the most talked about artificial intelligence stocks over the past several years, capturing the attention of investors who are focused on transformative technology and long-term growth. Over the past 2 calendar years, the stock has delivered eye-catching gains that are difficult to ignore. After surging by 340% during 2024, Palantir continued its remarkable run in 2025, advancing by roughly 150% with less than 1 week remaining in the year. Performances of this magnitude are rare in public markets and naturally raise an important question for investors looking ahead. Can Palantir continue to outperform and deliver strong returns as we move into 2026? To better understand whether that momentum can continue, it is essential to look at Palantir's origins and how its business has evolved over time. The company originally built its foundation as a defense-focused technology provider working closely with the United States government. In the aftermath of the September 11th attacks, several of Palantir's founders believed that technology similar to PayPal's fraud detection systems could be repurposed to help intelligence agencies analyze massive datasets and identify potential terrorist threats before they materialized. This idea became the core of Palantir's early mission and led to the development of its first major software platform, Gotham. Gotham was designed to collect, organize, and analyze data from a wide range of disconnected sources, allowing analysts to identify patterns, spot anomalies, and uncover hidden relationships that might otherwise go unnoticed. By enabling intelligence and defense agencies to connect fragmented information into a coherent operational picture, Gotham quickly proved its value and helped Palantir secure a strong foothold in government contracts. This early success not only validated the company's technology, but also established its reputation as a trusted partner for mission-critical operations. As Palantir matured, it began expanding beyond government work and set its sights on the commercial sector. This expansion led to the creation of Foundry, a platform built specifically for businesses and enterprises outside of government. Foundry was designed to break down internal data silos by bringing together information from different departments and systems into a unified framework. At the heart of Foundry is an ontology that links data to real-world objects, processes, and outcomes, allowing organizations to better understand how their operations function in practice rather than just in theory. While Foundry achieved moderate success on its own, it did not become a true breakout product until Palantir introduced its artificial intelligence platform and layered it on top of Foundry. This marked a turning point for the company. The artificial intelligence platform acts as an orchestration layer, enabling organizations to deploy artificial intelligence models in real operational environments with greater accuracy and reliability. By combining clean, well-structured data with real-world context, the platform significantly reduces artificial intelligence hallucinations that can occur when third-party large language models operate without sufficient grounding. The result is more reliable outputs and insights that are directly actionable for decision makers. In parallel with its technological advancements, Palantir adopted a highly unconventional sales strategy that dramatically shortened its sales cycles and accelerated customer adoption. Instead of relying solely on traditional sales pitches, the company introduced an intensive 5-day bootcamp model. During these sessions, Palantir works hands-on with potential customers to build real artificial intelligence-driven tools tailored to their specific operational challenges. This approach allows customers to see immediate value and tangible results, which has proven to be a powerful driver of adoption, particularly in the United States commercial market. Following the launch of the artificial intelligence platform, Palantir's financial performance began to accelerate noticeably. The company has now delivered revenue growth acceleration for 9 consecutive quarters, with the United States commercial segment leading the charge. In the most recent quarter, Palantir reported total revenue of $1.18 billion, representing a 63% increase year over year. Even more impressive was the performance of the United States commercial business, where revenue jumped 121% to $397 million. This growth has been fueled by a combination of new customer wins and existing customers significantly expanding their usage of Palantir's platforms. Customer metrics further highlight the strength of Palantir's momentum. During Q3, the company increased its total customer count by 45% compared to the same period 1 year earlier. At the same time, Palantir reported a net revenue retention rate of 134%. Any figure above 100% indicates that existing customers are spending more over time, reflecting deepening relationships and growing reliance on the platform. It is also important to note that this metric does not fully capture the rapid growth coming from customers who have been onboarded within the past year. That newer customer momentum is better illustrated by United States commercial total contract value, which surged an extraordinary 342% during quarter 3. This sharp increase suggests that Palantir is not only attracting new customers at a rapid pace, but is also signing larger and more meaningful contracts, further strengthening its long-term revenue base. Beyond the commercial sector, Palantir continues to see strong demand from government clients as public institutions increasingly embrace artificial intelligence technologies. In the most recent quarter, revenue from the United States government climbed 52% to $486 million. International government revenue also delivered robust growth, rising 66% to $147 million. A significant portion of this international expansion was driven by work in the United Kingdom, underscoring Palantir's growing influence outside the United States. Despite all of these positives, valuation remains one of the biggest concerns surrounding Palantir stock. The company currently trades at a forward price-to-sales multiple of more than 73 times, along with a forward price-to-earnings ratio of 192. These valuation levels are exceptionally high by almost any standard and place Palantir among the most expensive growth stocks in the market today. Even for a company growing at this pace, such premiums leave little room for error and can amplify volatility during market pullbacks. Still, many investors believe Palantir's long-term opportunity justifies the premium. The potential use cases for the artificial intelligence platform span a wide range of industries, from defense and government to healthcare, manufacturing, energy, and finance. As organizations increasingly adopt agentic artificial intelligence systems that can act autonomously within defined parameters, the need for a reliable orchestration layer becomes even more critical. Palantir is positioning itself to be one of the central platforms that enables and manages these complex systems. Another important consideration is the nature of Palantir's revenue. Unlike semiconductor companies that may experience cyclical demand tied to hardware upgrades, Palantir generates a large portion of its revenue from recurring software contracts. This recurring model provides greater visibility and stability, which can be especially valuable during periods of economic uncertainty. Taking all of these factors into account, Palantir stock appears well suited for investors who have a long-term time horizon and are comfortable with elevated risk. While the valuation is undeniably expensive, the company's technology, growth trajectory, and expanding market opportunity make it a compelling option for those who believe in the long-term future of artificial intelligence-driven enterprises. In the end, Palantir Technologies has emerged as one of the strongest performing artificial intelligence stocks in recent years, delivering massive gains after rising 340% in 2024 and advancing roughly 150% in 2025, with less than 1 week left in the year, driven by accelerating adoption of its artificial intelligence platform across both commercial and government markets. Originally rooted in defense and intelligence work for the United States government, following the September 11th attacks, the company expanded into the commercial sector with Foundry and later unlocked explosive growth by layering the artificial intelligence platform on top, allowing organizations to connect clean data with real-world processes while reducing artificial intelligence hallucinations. An unconventional 5-day bootcamp sales strategy dramatically shortened sales cycles and fueled rapid expansion in the United States commercial segment, where revenue jumped 121% year over year to $397 million, contributing to total revenue of $1.18 billion, up 63% year over year. Customer metrics remain strong, with customer count growth of 45% year over year, net revenue retention of 134%, and United States commercial total contract value surging 342% during quarter 3. Government demand also remains robust, with United States government revenue rising 52% to $486 million, and international government revenue increasing 66% to $147 million, supported by growth in the United Kingdom. Although the stock trades at extremely high valuation multiples, Palantir's recurring revenue model, expanding role in agentic artificial intelligence orchestration, and broad industry use cases position it as a compelling long-term opportunity for investors willing to tolerate volatility and premium pricing. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.